Hello. Are you interested in studying online? Or are you looking for an online program that is more affordable? Would you like to have a more comfortable learning environment with fewer distractions and no commuting? Are you ready to make a career advancement and improve in your technical skills? Abadir Academy is the best platform for you to learn online courses for the improvement of your skills. At Abadir Academy, we have lots of active students that are learning and building their own businesses. Even different countries around the world have used our programs to improve their skills. Here are some of the courses we offer: English language, math, web developer, web design, Amazon FBA business, eBay, Photoshop, social media, import and export, Alibaba, and more. Visit us today at www.abadiracademy.com.